الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه من ربه والمؤمنون كل آمن بالله
Department, Dr. Mrs. Hamidunisa Ma'am, to welcome the gathering.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to one and all present here. I deem it a privilege to welcome you all to the International Workshop on Research Methodology. We are honored and indeed pleased to host this international workshop on research methodology. I quote, welcome the challengers, look for the opportunities in every situation to learn and grow in wisdom. I unquote, Brain Tracy. Having said this, I take this opportunity in welcoming our beloved Principal in Charge, Dr. Amtul Aziz Ma'am, Vice Principal Dr. Firdaus Jahan, Guest of Honor Dr. Firdaus Rahman Khan, Professor Zohar University, Oman, and my staff and students of this esteemed institution to this international workshop.
Respected Principal, Dr. Abdul Aziz, respected Vice Principal, Dr. Firdaus Jahan, and respected HOD Dr. Hamidunisa, and my dear friend Dr. Kavita, and more than that, dear students, good afternoon, and Assalamu alaikum to all of you. This is Chennai, so vanakkam to all of you. Yeah, okay. Usually, whenever I go for the class, I start the class, particularly after the lunch. I see the students are sitting nicely. All are very enthusiastic, but their eyes are going. I don't know if it's because of the lunch or whatever the reason. But I see here, everybody is responding. MashaAllah, that's wonderful. Very great. Don't look at the first row, second row. They are very already curious. But look at the last row. But here also the same thing is happening. The person sitting at the last is looking, gazing at me like anything. MashaAllah, that's wonderful. I'm going to come to you, don't worry. I'll not be here, I'll walk. And I'll be at you, don't worry. Okay? So let's start. Give me the mic. We are going to divide into some groups, and you people are going to participate. And the winning group will be awarded with special certificate. Of course, the participants, everyone is going to get a attendance certificate, participation certificate. Apart from it, what is research? As we have seen now, we came across so many problems. People are coming up with, no, did you find solution for that? Not about solution. You don't have to find out. At least think about how to come up with solution. I went to have is that there's no problem. Why? You don't want to think. This is it. You have an issue? No, no, you don't touch. You have money? Oh, really? No. You don't have money, you have to earn it. Or you have to grab it from somebody. This is where the issue goes, isn't it? So we are going to find out solution for every problem. So in a systematic way, you are going to analyze. That's it. This is what research. There's going to be for study purpose or your life own issue. Yes. Maybe after 1 month, after 1 year, in a very short time, you are going to select a suitable boy for you. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yeah, most of the people are saying yes. So in that case, you are going to analyze or not? Analyze or not? Or parents are doing, let them take care. I don't know. Let us give a very simple, very simple example. This morning when I was about to come here, when I reached here, Professor asked me, "Do you have any lunch?" I never did. I like you. You asked me, did you take your lunch? I said, yes. I had some pain. Oh, it's pain here. On the right side. Heavy. So I want to find out what is the issue. Why there's pain? What is the pain? Squeezing pain in my stomach. First question came to my mind is why I got the squeezing pain in my stomach. Second was why particularly I did not know. I said of this one. Third question came to my mind. So factor is passing. Yesterday I went to one local shop. I took now to you. To you. Do you have any problem in your life? Responsibility. So you don't want to carry any responsibility. Wonderful. Great. Okay. So somebody is with the phone. So let's go for it. Come on. You have any problem in life? No problem. Anything at home. What time is your college? What time is your session? Come on. You have no problem. My goodness. What time you start at home? 12:30. And what time you go back? 5:45. Your mom says anything? Nothing? Your dad says nothing? So you are doing a free bird. Great. So you have something. This is what we want to hear from you. Freedom. Okay, fine. So she don't have freedom. You have any problem at all? No problem. Once again. Here. Okay. Okay. Do you have any problem in life? No problem. Very interesting. This is the problem. So is the problem. Please analyze yourself. What are the problems you are having? Some other problems if you face.
As a second year growing student, I'm forced to wake up early and sit down to study to make a better future.
Really?
And second is to become independent. You are grown up. Do your work. Why do you still depend upon me? Your mom says this everything. So I don't like that anymore. And thirdly, she'd be like, do something. You're a girl. Do something. You have to become someone in life, not like the old school and all of this. That is my problem.
No, it is the time we'll pull the right over there. I wish we could go on today. 1, 2, 3, 4. I asked only one, my dear. I asked only one. Hey, you are speaking. Normally, I had that special chunky, spicy chunky. Oh, maybe that's big. I don't know. So, these three questions came to my mind. So, according to this every question, I am going to do something now. I am going to take action, right? Pain in my stomach. So, what is the factor of this causing? I'm going to analyze it. So, I'm going to take action. And what I'm going to do? I am trying to analyze or try to find out the causing factors. What is the second question? My second question was what causes pain on the right side of my stomach? So I have to analyze once again why the pain on the right side of my stomach. What was the third question? What are the factors which are causing me pain well before I eat? So, to analyze the factors causing. So, you can see there, I'll start with an issue and I'm going to do. So, based on the fact, I'm going to assume something. Go ahead. This way. Okay. So, for every question, I am trying to assume something. Why I got the pain? Maybe I have some industrial problems. Second one, why on the right side of? Maybe I have problem with my kidney. I got kidney stone. Third one, before I eat, maybe I got ulcer, peptic ulcer, whatever the reasons. So the assumptions may be true, as somebody was saying, may not be, maybe may not be true. So this is only what we call hypothesis. How I am going to adjust this. If you are in master level, you are in a bachelor level, it's a bit starting from zero. If you are going to PhD and more, then normally you have to go for minimum of 7 questions. 7 or more. As many as possible. But remember, people make 12 questions, 15 questions. And objectives only one. Any volunteers from the teacher side to guide this group? You can take one group. One person, one group. Please join. Wait, Alavik, don't start. Just remove the stapler, just read. You're going to have your teachers. Come on. Volunteers, teachers. That's great. And I'm silent. Where's the player? Just wait. Just don't do. Any teachers, please, volunteers, please come. Excuse me, ma'am. Hello, please join. They need your help. You have one. You have one teacher. Okay. You have one. Okay. You have. Madam, here. Okay. One more. You can join us. You have one. Okay, great. Alak, you have one. Teachers, you don't have. Oh, it's there. Okay. We can start now. Counselor madam group. Where is the group? Come here, please. They are third runner-up. Who is supporting Shakila, ma'am? Oh, wonderful. Where is the Shakila ma'am with group? Shakila ma'am group. Come on. Now, the first prize. Already brought for you, so don't worry. That's good. Now there is the, winner is going to be shared by two groups. Two groups, two winner number one. Dr. Parmeena and Dr. Zeeran. The group being followed. Hold on, guys. certificates will be given to you, sent to you. So please write your name and email ID number and give it to Dr. Savita ma'am. She will arrange for the certificates. Okay? Please write your group name, your individual name, your email ID, and please write what you call you won first prize, like that. You can make a note of it. You got the first prize, second prize, third and fourth. Okay? All the best to you. And if you have any queries, these are the answers. These are the answers here. You can check the answers. They are always. No, because you're fine. Yeah. So see that when you're preparing the report, the first you have to start with the title and the abstract. Abstract is the short, the entire thing what you have done. Then you start so much detailed definitions, briefly explain everything. Then go for and the research question, research objectives. Then review of literature. You must.
To our principal in charge, Dr. Abdul Aziz Bhai, for continuous support and encouragement. I take immense pleasure to thank Vice Principal Dr. Firdaus Jahan ma'am for impeccable guidance, and I place my profound thanks to our HOD Dr. Hamidul Nisa ma'am for her continuous motivation, guidance, and being instrumental in conducting the program. It is a great privilege for me to thank such a noble personality, Dr. Firdaus Rahman Khan, Professor, Sohar University, Oman, for sharing his knowledge on research methodology and enlightening us with the latest knowledge on research methodology, and also conducting quiz on the same topic to us, which also made our college student to actively participate and win the prize worth of rupees 7,500. Once again, I place my profound thanks to our eminent resource person for making this international workshop a grand success. I place my sincere thanks to faculty members of Commerce and other departments who have participated in our international workshop. And last but not the least, I also thank our wonderful students for the active participation by standing as a pillar of our program and making it a grand success. Thank you.